Okay, listen. As I said earlier, I am not going to write a lot of definitions and all that. It is already there in the book. I'm doing more variety of questions, but I'm explaining each and everything. So morning I discussed a little bit about transpose. I'll just show on the screen and explain a little bit and then go further. Okay, so all of you can see here the 10th point, transpose of a matrix. Okay, I'm underlining also. Okay, so transpose of a matrix, there are two ways to write it. Transpose of a matrix is denoted by. You are not able to see the screen?
We are able to see, sir.
No, sir, I'm asking like this.
No, I'm saying you don't have to write, just listen. And it is already there in your mains material, it is there in IP textbook. Okay? Okay. Anyway, some typing I have to correct it. This is A transpose. Here it should be like this, A dash, A and dash, A transpose like this. Okay, here Aij and this should be Aj. This is also some small typing mistake. I have to correct it. Okay. So now, morning I was explaining about properties of transpose. First I told about this. You transpose it and again transpose, will get same thing. A transpose whole transpose is A. Next, what is this? K is a scalar here. You take a matrix A, for example, you multiply 7. 7A whole transpose is same as 7 into A transpose. Okay. So whether you multiply with a matrix with a number after transpose or before transpose, it is same. This is very simple. A plus B whole transpose is same as A transpose plus B transpose. This I spent little more time and explained how AB transpose equal to B transpose, A transpose. We'll write something about this in the notes later on. Okay, at the last I was discussing a little bit about symmetric matrix. Even if you transpose, you will get same as the original matrix. That kind of matrix is called symmetric matrix. And in that I said this will happen. What is that? Aij and Aji are same. Okay, ith ray, jth column and this. Okay, we'll discuss a little more about this. I'll stop the screen share now. Okay. Ashita, are you there in the class now? Ashita? Ashita Jolly.
Yes, sir.
You can hear me now. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. I forgot to clean. Sakshi, you are there in the class?
Yes, sir.
I think I should highlight for you, right? That spotlight for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay. But today is date 10, right? So 10/6/2021. If you want, you can write evening also, no problem. Transpose of a matrix. Okay, I'm not giving all the details of that. Some I already explained orally, some I showed you in the material. Just some important points, okay? You can write if you want diagonal elements of a matrix are unchanged. Diagonal elements of matrix are unchanged while transposing it. Okay, so when you find transpose of a matrix, diagonal elements doesn't change their places, right?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, should now transpose property.
Now you should write.
Okay, sir.
Whatever I'm telling now, please write in the class notes. Just put side heading transpose of a matrix. You can even write 10/6/2021 evening, and you can write these things. Diagonal elements of a matrix are unchanged while transposing it of any matrix. I think I should tell square matrix because other matrix doesn't have diagonals. So diagonal elements of a square matrix better you write. Okay. Next, when I'm proving this, that AB whole transpose equal to B transpose A transpose, I want to give an explanation. Okay. Ijth element of AB whole transpose is equal to jith element of AB. Okay, jth element of AB means jth row of A, jth row of A into ith column of B.
So the first property of transpose is only applied for square matrices. Sir.
Yeah, because other than square matrix, we don't even talk about diagonal elements. There is no diagonal element as such for other matrices. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose, I am giving an explanation basically. If we take ith row jth element of this matrix, it will be jth row ith element of this matrix. That is in first matrix jth row, in the second matrix ith column the product. I wrote into. If you want, you can write product of. That is a better way of writing it. But anyway, I'm just writing informal. Okay. But jth row for A is jth column of A transpose.
Sir,
Yes, please.
so what is that first sentence written? So diagonal.
Elements of a square matrix are unchanged while transposing it. Okay. And this one, jth column of A. Moni, are you there in the class?
Yes, sir.
Can you do and help to me every day after the class? That day's class notes can you upload in the group?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because by chance if somebody misses the class, forgot to write a line, they can copy it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So today after this class, that you have free time, morning's class today and afternoon together you upload. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So jth row of A is equal to jth column of A transpose. Ith row of column of B is ith row of B transpose. Okay, I want to write this first here, this type later, which is equal to ith row of B transpose into jth column of A transpose. So you are taking row in one matrix, column in another matrix means it is ijth element of B transpose into A transpose. B transpose into A transpose. So we proved ijth element of this is equal to ijth element of this means hence prove that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. So this is a proof actually for that statement.
So this is the kind of derivation.
Yeah, yes, this is a proof, or derivation or proof, whichever you want to call it.
Sir, last ith row of BP into
Jth column of A transpose.
jth column of A transpose into ith row of BT. Again, down you reverse it, na sir.
This I wrote here, this I wrote here. A into B, I can write B into A also, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why I wrote like this? Because normally in a product, we'll take row of the first matrix, column of the second matrix, just for that clarity.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from here to here, I did not change anything. Just I brought this one here, this one. From here to here, I changed row to column because I transposed it. Here I changed column to row because I transposed it. Anybody want me to read something? I can read it for you.
No, sir, that is only right.
Okay. Anybody else I'm talking? Everybody, please turn on your videos. Whoever video is off, it's very important that your video should be on.
Sir, once repeat that last line, sir.
Okay. ijth element of B transpose into A transpose.
Okay, sir.
Sure, I wrote the second method for the problem you said. I'll send it to you
Yeah.
after the class.
Okay, Kaus.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, can I turn off my video? There's a power cut. I'm on mobile data.
Okay. Okay. Next, ABC whole transpose equal to C transpose, B transpose, A transpose. I can prove it theoretically, but already we derived this formula. I will use that to derive this. Okay. So I can write two methods. Both are same. What is that? Morning I wrote it. I am repeating once again for the sake of writing. ABC whole transpose. I can write A into BC into whole transpose, which is BC whole transpose into A transpose. And this one again, if you use it the same formula, because whatever is here, reverse will come. We know that. First the second matrix, next the first one based on this formula. Now for this again, if you use this C transpose, B transpose, A transpose, you can prove like this, or you take ABC whole transpose as AB first and C from the right whole transpose. The first transpose of this will come, next transpose of this will come, and the next B transpose and A transpose. Okay, fourth point. Similarly, you can write for four things, five things. I want to generalize it and write A1, A2, A3, so on. AN whole transpose. If you have AN transpose, AN minus 1 transpose, so on, A3 transpose, A2 transpose, and A1 transpose. Okay, next. A square whole transpose equal to A transpose whole square. How to prove this? I said take B equal to A in AB whole transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. This also A whole transpose equal to A transpose into A transpose. So that
This
is
property is special case of the AB to the power of transpose.
yes, correct. In fact, if you prove for n, it is okay. So sixth one, I'll just write it. A power n whole transpose equal to A transpose whole power n for n belongs to natural numbers. It can be 2, 3, 4, anything. Okay, so please copy all these things.
Sir, once can you tell A square transpose is equal to AT whole transpose, A transpose whole square?
Proof. Okay.
Yes,
You know
yes.
this formula, right? Wherever B is there, I substituted A. That's all. Now, what is A into A? A square. What is A transpose into A transpose? A transpose whole square. Proof.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it okay? That's
Yes.
Copying.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Next. Just now we wrote is what? Fourth point or last one?
6 points.
6 point.
Sixth
So I have to
point.
tell- so I have to tell 7. Okay, right. Okay, this is a very useful point. We'll derive it, but there are past year mains and advanced questions given based on this. We'll derive with an example. I'll leave 2 lines. I want to write a statement. First of all, let me write one statement. Earlier we wrote this, but it's okay. Trace of A is equal to, okay, trace of square matrix. Square matrix A is equal to sum of diagonal elements of A. Please write this. Sum of diagonal elements of A. You can even write sigma k equal to 1 to n or I equal to 1 to n aii. That means a11 plus a22 plus a33 so on up to ann. Sum of the diagonal elements is called trace. You can write in words like this. You can write in sigma form I equal to 1 to n aii or a11 plus a22 plus a33 so on up to ann are the diagonal elements. Is it okay?
So,
Yes.
So what is that? Sigma?
I equal to 1. The down part is I equal to 1. Upper part is n, and this is aii. When you put I equal to 1, it will become a11. When you put I equal to 2, it is a22. When you put I equal to 3, a33. Finally, when you put I equal to n, ann. All of you know sigma means summation, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This and this are same. One way to represent this is this. Yes, please.
Sir, is it necessary to remember all these definitions?
Yeah, you obviously should remember. Okay. In mains and advanced exam, they don't ask definitions anywhere. Okay. But in the questions, the knowledge of these definitions is required. Otherwise, you will not be able to do the question. And whatever definitions are there in IP textbook, especially they will be there in yellow boxes. If some of you have seen the book, you have seen some important definitions are given in yellow boxes, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So those kind of things in IP exam they can come. All right.
so,
Yes, please.
so if the trace of square matrix A equals to trace of square matrix A transpose.
Yes, you are right. I was about to write that also. Okay. Trace of A is same as trace of A transpose because while transposing it, the diagonal element doesn't change their places. So A and A transpose have same trace. You can write that.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, what was the 6th point? I forgot to write.
Forgot to write anyway. Mooni will send after this class is over. You can look at the notes at that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So within 7th one, I want to call this a first point. This is second point. Okay. Third point, I want to write it. I want to purposely leave 2 lines and then give a question to you. Take A is equal to A, B, C, D and E, F, G, H. Okay. I want you to find, okay, find, you can even write it as question, I don't mind, but leave 2 lines gap here to write a statement. A is this, find A transpose, trace of A transpose into A and a trace of A into A transpose.
So can we find the trace of
How can we find
non-square matrix?
No, I did not ask trace of A. I asked trace of A transpose into A. Multiply these two and see are you getting a square matrix or not. Morning I made this point that even though A is not a square matrix, A into A transpose will be square matrix because one of them is m by n, other one will be n by m. Even though these two are same, it is m by m, right? So just leave 2 lines gap here and try to find these things. A transpose equal to A, B, C, D, F, G. Yes, somebody is trying to say something. Your voice is too low.
The trace of A transpose into A is A square plus C square plus A square plus B square plus C square plus D square plus E square plus F square plus D square plus H square.
Yes. So what I wanted to write here was trace of A into A transpose is same as trace of A transpose into A, which is equal to sum of squares of all elements of A. You take any matrix, any order, doesn't matter. You take A into A transpose or A transpose into A, and you'll get sum of the squares of all the elements of the original matrix. That's what you will get here. Anyway, let me try to write A transpose into A. A, E, B, F, C, G, and D, H. Here, A is A, B, C, D, and here E, F, G, H. Okay. I don't know. I know this is a 4x2 matrix. This is 2x4. Finally, I'll get 4x4 matrix. You don't have to really find the full 4x4 matrix. You know, 4x4 matrix will have something here, something here, something here, something here, something here, something here, something. Similarly, something here, something here. If you want to trace, only you need diagonal elements. So why to write everything? First row into first column. Here I'll get A square plus E square. Here, first row into second row into second column. This is B square plus X square. What is this? Third row into third column, C square plus E square. Fourth row into fourth column, D square plus H square. Okay. So now I don't have to write other elements. It's a waste of time because nobody asked me A transpose into A. They only asked me trace. Okay. So now I can write from this anyway. Okay. Okay, so this Roman 3, I want everybody to write this statement. Trace of A into A transpose equal to trace of A transpose into A equal to sum of squares of all elements of A. Write that. And as a proof of that, we are doing through a question. For that only I gave this question. So write this question, write this, and write this. Okay, can I erase this down part completely?
1 minute, sir.
Okay. Kishore, is it better for you or still blur?
Okay, sir. No.
Okay. I can bring my camera a little close and use lesser part of the board.
Actually, this is good, sir. We can
So
see.
now, what you are not able to see?
We can see you know not bring the camera.
Okay. This is d square plus h square, right? Okay. So now trace of A transpose into A is only diagonal elements. So A square plus E square plus B square plus H square plus C square plus G square plus D square plus H square. So basically it is sum of all the elements A square plus B square plus C square plus D square plus E square plus H square plus G square plus H square. Okay. Let us see what is A into A transpose. Okay, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This is 2 by 4 matrix. This is 4 by 2 matrix. So finally, I'll get a 2 by 2 matrix. So that 2 by 2 matrix will have only 4 elements. I don't have to find this, waste of time. I'll only find this and this. First row into first column. A square plus B square plus C square. Yeah. And this is E square plus H
E
square
square
plus
plus
G
F square plus G square plus H square.
Yes, correct. So now trace of A into A transpose is same. A square plus B square plus C square plus D square plus E square plus F square plus G square plus H square. Even though we done one question, I'm not saying example is a proof, but you got an idea how to prove in general for any matrix that trace of A into A transpose is sum of all the diagonal. Kishore, are you able to see a little better because I zoomed in a little more?
Yes, sir.
I know still if network is down, we cannot do anything much, but please mute yourself. Somebody got unmuted. Please turn on your videos. Somebody speaking, I'm only hearing a little bit. Sai Kiran, your voice is very low, Sai Kiran. We are not able to hear you at all. No, not clear. There is some problem with the mic. You can send something in the chat, I will see, because your mic is not there. Harika, Leela, Ejit, Ganesh, Shreyesh, can you turn on your videos? Jacinth, Vamsi.
Sir,
Yes, who is this?
is there any formula to find any number factorial?
Find which one?
To find the factorial of any natural number.
No, we don't have any method. One method is really multiply all the numbers. That's all. At least I don't know. I generally don't. All right, Jason. Okay, Jason. Okay, I'm arranging this whole thing. Okay. Let us see if somebody can come up with this. Yeah. Let me ask two questions. First question. A is a 2 by 2 matrix. with real entries. I can say with entries as whole numbers. Entries as whole numbers. Okay, trace of A into A transpose equal to 4. Find number of such matrices. Find number of such matrices.
So means you have to find the elements, sir.
Yeah, you have to find matrix A itself. Basically, I can ask number of such matrices, but I can ask write all matrices A such that trace of A into A transpose should be 4.
1 1 1.
Yes, 1 1 1 1 is correct.
Sir.
Yes,
2
please.
2 0 0.
Sir, but is it only 2 by 2 matrix, sir?
I said 2 by 2 only. A is a 2 by 2 matrix with entries as whole numbers. Every element of that should be whole number.
Sir, 2 0 0 0.
Yes. So total, how many answers? How many such matrices are there?
Sir, infinite number.
5.
Infinite. Why are you saying
Five.
infinite?
Sir, 5 sir.
5, sir.
5 number of matrices.
5, sir.
Yes, that's correct. If I take A is equal to A, B, C, D, then you know 4, which is equal to trace of A into A transpose is equal to sum of squares of all elements. That is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus D square. Okay, that is 4. So now you are taking whole numbers. I would have said integers also, nothing wrong, we have covered it, but I said whole numbers, right? If you take whole number square, it will be either 0 or positive and the perfect square only. That means all these values should be either 0 or 1 or 4 or 9 or 16 or 25. But their sum should be 4. There are only 2 ways. You can take 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is one way to write. Another one is 4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. If you want to write 4 as sum of many perfect squares, these are the only 2 ways. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And this refers to the matrix A as all ones. Whereas this will give you 4. You can take 2 0 0 0, 0 2 0 0, or okay, or you can put 2 here, 0 0 2 0, or you can put 0 2 0 0. So these are the only 5 matrices satisfying this data.
Sir, can you take -2, sir?
I said whole numbers.
Oh, yeah, well, no. Sorry, sir.
So trace means sum of the diagonals, no, sir?
Trace is sum of the diagonals of A, but here trace of A into A transpose.
Yes, sir.
That happens to be sum of the squares of the diagonal elements of A, all elements of A, not diagonal elements. Trace is sum of the diagonal elements only. But when you found A into A transpose and found trace of that, that came original matrix, sum of the squares of all the elements. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So answer is 5 for this. Final answer is 5. Yes, somebody, anybody, any doubt regarding this? No. Okay.
No.
Don't write it because if the answer may be big, but I just want to see if I remove the word whole numbers here and put integers, same question but with integers, what do you think? How many answers will come?
Sir, if integers.
10 sir. Sir, 10 sir.
10.
I know you can tell 4 more like this with minus, 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 all minus. Are you sure all of them must be minus?
No, specified, sir, actually.
Yeah, this can, any one of them can be plus 1 or minus 1. So then how many will come?
Sir, in that combination, a large number of matrices, sir.
Yeah. So I'm asking, can you enumerate and count how many are there roughly or something like that?
14, sir.
How much you are saying? Sorry, somebody's mic is not able to
Sir,
hear
25.
Sir, she is saying 14.
It's 14. Oh, that I heard. 14 I heard, but after that somebody's voice was not.
Sir, 25.
25. You want to say an odd number?
18. 18.
First of all, this is 8, right? This 4 plus 4, 8. You are not talking about that 8. You are talking plus some more here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Maybe why not? I'll just give the question. We'll write all the details. What is there? Okay. Yeah. Next question. This answer is 5, right? Okay. So, next question. In above question, if in above question, if entries are integers,
Sir, 20.
find answer.
Sir, 20 will be the answer.
20. I think it will be a little more.
Yes, sir. 20, sir.
20 only, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Anyway, I don't think we'll get too many here.
Sir, if integers are there, then more number of combinations will be made.
No, other than these two, what are the combination? Because this integer whole square, na? Integer whole square means again perfect square only, right?
Sir, but if we put, we can take any one element also as -1.
Yeah, correct. I am not saying all must be -1. You can have 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1.
One combination is all the numbers are -1. Another combination is only one number with different places.
Yeah.
Different places also can
Yeah, we'll try to write all those places.
Sir, first combination is all positive ones, sir. Second combination is all negatives. Third combination is first element is negative. Fourth combination is the second element in the first row is negative. And the fifth one is third element in the second row will be the negative one. And the sixth one is the fourth element, the last element will be the negative. And also we can have two as negatives. Yes. So first row, second row, two columns. So 4 entries. Like that 12 plus we can also have three as entries. So one will be first row and the first element of second row. That will be first one, 13. And the first row and the last element will be the 14. And 14, 15, 16. So 16 plus 8, 24 or 23, sir.
24 is correct. Lohit sent me answer in the charts. Lohit, your answer is right. I'm writing 4 here. You know what is that? 2, 0, 0, 0 rotation of that. I can put 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. Similarly, -2 I can put here. Coming to ones, all ones, I'll have only 1. All -1s, only 1. I want to take -1 once and 1 3 times. That will be 4 because this can come here, it can come here, it can come here. I'm not writing all the 4. I hope you understand that, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. I'll take 1 and 3 -1s. That will be 4 because this one can come here or here or here, cyclic. But when I take 2 1s and 2 -1s, okay, I think they are 6, not 4. I'll tell you what are these 6 if somebody wants.
Diagonals also we can have.
Yeah, we can have 1 1 like this, -1 like this, -1 -1 1 1 like this, and 4 1 1 1 minus -1 here, -1 -1 1 1, and here 1 1 -1 -1 -1 -1 1. Okay, so this 6 I'm referring to these 6 cases. I'm sure this 4 everybody can understand. So total what I got? This is 8, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 24. Answer is total 24. Okay.
Sir, if this question comes in exam, we have to try all the numbers, sir.
Yes, correct. There is a little bit idea about something called permutation combinations. We'll study in second year. We can use that to little bit, may not be fully, but we can use it to some.
Sir, what is the topic?
Permutations and combinations.
Okay, sir.
We call it combinations.
For example, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, for a short time I had a network problem, sir. I didn't hear what were you saying. Once again.
Okay, I'll repeat anyway. Okay, Ashta, I'm repeating. See, it is already clear that we understood that 3 elements should be 0 and 1 element should be 4, the square of the elements, or all the elements should be 1, 1, 1, the squares of the elements. You can take any 4 elements, but the sum of the, that is the squares of the elements should be these things or these things. If you take these things, okay, then you should get 2, 0, 0, 0 or minus 2, 0, 0. With this, you can put 2 here or 2 here, 2 here. That is this 4 arrangements. And this minus 2, I can put it here, put it here, put it here, 4 arrangements. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
See, I am continuing from the previous question, so I am not telling some details purposely. Ashta, you are able to follow?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, now. Okay, coming to this 1, 1, 1, 1, this is square of a number. That number can be 1 or minus 1. So, we can have 2 square 0, that is 2, 0, 0 or minus 2, 0, that is covered. When you talk about 4 ones, they are squares of the elements. But otherwise, this can be plus or minus 1, this can be plus or minus 1, this can be plus or minus 1, this can be plus or minus 1. So, I have 2 choices for filling here. 2 choices for filling here, 2 choices for filling here, 2 choices for filling here. If somebody studied some kind of foundation course or techno syllabus, there's some idea about permutation combinations. If you have 2 choices for this, 2 choices for this, 2 choices for this, 2 choices for this, the total number of ways. Sorry, you're not able to see this. Okay, no problem. 2 power 4, 2 power 4 is 16. So actually, what we got all this is 16. But don't worry about permutation combinations. I'm writing here. I can have plus or minus 1 here, 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 right? Now, so what are the different cases? I can take 4 positive ones, 4 negative ones, 1 minus 1 and 3 positive ones, 1 plus 1 and 3 minus ones, or 2 positive ones and 2 minus ones. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The 4 ones, there is only one way, one matrix. The 4 minus ones only one. But this one, this minus 1 can come here, this can come here, or this can come go here, this can go here. That is this 4, the rotation. This one can come here or here or here. That is another 4. But this one 6, because I can put this one here, this one here. Or I can put, that means the 2, okay, you can see here. 2 positive ones here, 2 negative ones here, or 2 positive ones here, 2 negative ones here. I get 2 column wise, 2 positive ones here, 2 minus ones here, 2 minus ones here, 2 positive ones here. And here 1 minus 1 minus 1. That means diagonally 1, 1, diagonally minus 1 minus 1, other way. In all these cases, sum of the squares of all the elements is 4. So we got here 16 plus this 8, 24. Ashta, is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Ashta? All right. Okay. Somebody else was asking due to network they missed. Is it okay for you? One boy. Maybe lost the network again. Okay, everybody clear?
How we got 16, sir?
How we got 16? No, this one. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 4, 14 plus 2, 16. So this whole thing is 16 plus this 4 plus this. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. I'm saying that 16 in second year, we can also tell easily that for filling this 2 cases, plus 1 or minus 1, here plus 1 or minus 1, plus 1 or minus 1. 2 phases for filling this, 2 cases for filling this, 2 cases for this, 2 cases for this. It is 2 power 4 will come 16. We could say directly in second year. But we have to learn a topic called permutation and combinations. I may teach you the topic once in sometime later. because there is an exam called KVPY. I'll give some details about it later. Okay, can I erase this whole thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, similar question is given in the actual mains exam, maybe advanced exam, one of these recently. A is a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, A is a 3 by 3 matrix with entries as whole numbers. Entries as whole numbers. Okay. Trace of A into A transpose is equal to 9. Trace of A into A transpose is equal to 9. Find sum of 1 minute. Sum of all the elements of A. Sum of all the elements of A can be dash. Okay, you can have more than one answer also. So I want a 3 by 3 matrix. Every entry is a whole number. And when you find A into A transpose and find trace of that, it is 9. Now coming to the original matrix, when you add all the elements of the original matrix, what is that sum can be?
Sir,
Yes, please.
multiple number of matrices are possible.
Many matrices are possible, but some of the elements may be same for most of them.
Sir, 9, 3.
9 and 3 are the only possibilities. Huh? What is this 9 you are talking about?
Sir, I did not understand the question. Sum of all the elements of A can be.
Okay.
Sir, 9 or 3.
Forget about this last line. Satisfying this, there is a matrix A now. You can write that matrix or not?
Yes, sir.
For that, you add all the 9 elements. That number is how much I'm asking. What it can be. Is it okay?
Sir, 3.
So many matrices.
And
Sir, it will be
3 and
3
9.
and 9. 3 and 9.
But if so many, find for all of them. For each one of them, find the sum. Is it only 3 and 9? Nothing else?
Sir, 5 also.
5 also. Okay.
-3.
Okay, let us see. I will take A is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Then 9, which is equal to trace of A into A transpose, is A square plus B square plus C square plus D square plus E square plus F square plus G square plus H square plus I square. The sum of this. Okay. Ashta, are you there in the class? Ashta Jolie?
Yes, sir.
See, A square is a perfect square of a whole number. This is also a perfect square of a whole number. 9 whole numbers perfect squares. Their sum should be 9. Can you tell me what these can be?
Sir, one.
Either 1 or 9.
Wait. Only one Ashta is there.
So 2
Tell
square
Ashta.
plus 2 square plus 1
One
square.
Ashta is there. Ashita, tell.
Sir, one can be the answer.
See, I want 9 perfect squares. Their sum should be 9. So you want to say each one of them is 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so one way to write 9 is 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square 9 times. Okay, is there any other way to write 9 as sum of many perfect squares? you take any whole number perfect square, it can be 0 or 1 or 4 or 9 or 16 or 25, so on. I'm asking one student general, I don't want to other students to tell in bit. Okay. You can take as many zeros, as many 1s, as many 4s, as many 9s. But their sum should be 9.
Sir.
Ashita,
Yes,
you want to
sir.
tell any other alternative other than all
Sir,
ones?
I don't know any other.
See, you can take so many zeros you want, 0 plus 0 plus 0. You can take so many 1s, so many 4s, so many 9s, but sum should be 9.
Sir, we can take 8 zeros and 1 3, so 3 square
Yes.
plus.
Exactly. So it is, you can write 3 square plus 0 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 square. Yes. Any other thing is there?
Sir,
Just 1 minute.
4 square plus 1 square plus
2 square,
Yeah.
2 square plus 1 square.
Yes, correct. 2 square plus 2
square
square
plus
plus 1 square. 4 plus 4 plus 8.
other are 0.
Others are 0 square.
Sir, 1, 2 and 5 ones, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
1 2 square and 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square 3 plus 1 square plus 1 square 5 plus 1 6. Yeah. Okay. So we can take 9 ones and rest all zeros, or 4 plus 4 plus 1 other zeros, or 4 plus 1 1 1 5 times 0 are all ones. We don't have any other possibility, right?
Sir, we have to
basically,
take numbers. We have to take numbers whose square is a perfect square, sir.
Yes, correct. Because see, I'm writing here clearly solution. Your original matrix is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. These, each one of them is a whole number. When you
Yes,
really
sir.
find A into A transpose and find trace of that, you know sum of the squares of all the elements will come. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If A is a whole number, A square is a perfect square or not?
Yes, sir.
B is a whole number means B square is a perfect square. So these are 9 perfect squares. Some of them can be same, some of them can be distinct. I don't care. Sum
Yes.
of 9 perfect squares should be 9. So these are the cases. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ashta, is it still confusing or is it clear?
Sir, it's clear.
All right. Okay. See,
Sir,
nothing is
basically,
difficult.
sir,
Yes, tell.
Sir, actually, you told that to find 9 is equals to sum of squares, no, sir. So the root of 9, where the numbers are below the, if we consider the whole numbers, the root of 9 is 3. So 1, 2, 3 will be the numbers where we can form different types of.
Yes, you are right. Because it is 3 square, there is no point in going for more than 3 square. You have to go something less than 3 square. So using 0 square, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, as many times as you want, you will be able to get some 9. These are real different combinations. Right? Is that
Yes,
you are
sir.
trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Anyway, I don't have to give perfect square here. I can give something else. Okay. For example, let's say I'll give 11. Don't write it, but let's say I'll give 11. Is it possible 11? Raised to be 11 like this.
Yes, sir.
How?
Yes, sir, it is possible.
Can you tell how?
So 3 square
So we
plus
take
1
the
plus
3 square plus 1
3
square and
square plus-
all zeros.
Okay. 9 plus 1 plus 1 and other zeros. Any other possibilities there?
Sir, 7 ones and 1 2.
7 1, but 2 is not a perfect square now. You are talking about squares,
Sir,
right?
2 squares, sir, 4.
2 square is 4 plus 7. Ah, sorry. Okay, that's good. 2 square plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 7 times and 1 0. We don't have any other
2 square
question.
plus 2 square plus 1 square.
Okay, you want to take 2 square plus 2 square 4 plus no 4 plus 4 8 and 3 ones.
3 1.
Okay, so like that. So even though this is not a perfect square, still we got some combination, right? That's good. Okay. Okay, now what is our question? Sum of all the diagonal of all the elements of A can be what? In this case, all elements are 1. What the sum will be?
9.
9.
sir.
In this case, the elements are 1, 3
Three.
and rest all are 0. So it is 3. Here 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1 rest of them. So it is 5.
5.
And here
7.
7. Okay. So here actually I can give 4 options A, B, C, D, and it will be 9, it will be 3, it will be 5, it will be 7. All are correct. So this is how they can give more than one answer question. And if you forgot to take one of the cases, you can go wrong, right? Okay, is everybody clear what is this 9, 3, 5, 7?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If you want, you can write some of the elements.
So these type of questions are there in mains. Like we can see them in the mains material of
See what I'm okay. Either mains or advanced material they should be there. Because there's so many variety of questions. Sometimes we may not be able to cover everything. Okay. And we also gave some questions where people feel confidence that every question if you give like this, some people say not able to do. And in not that all questions will come tough like this. There is some easy questions. All right. So exactly this model you may not find too many questions. If otherwise I'll try to write some questions and send in WhatsApp.
Sir, also you said that some question you will send.
Yeah, what are related to yesterday's afternoon class and even this topic, I'll try to write 1 or 2 questions. I'll send. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, any homework for today?
Today, yes, in the mains material, let me tell you, time is also almost up, right? We'll stop. Yeah, it is possible to now. I'm not saying by tomorrow class you should complete. You can complete by tomorrow evening also. 2 things you can complete. You know what is that? Third exercise in IP textbook. You done second exercise about multiplication of matrices, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. So you can.
Once again, can you repeat it, sir?
I'm saying in IP textbook maths and determinants, you completed first exercise addition of matrices, second exercise multiplication of matrices, right?
Yes, sir.
So the third exercise, exercise 3C, is all about transpose. Very silly questions will be there. They'll give one matrix. Maybe I should explain something more. I'll give homework tomorrow. Nothing today. Is it okay?
Sir, from mains material also, sir.
Sir, mains material.
Mains material also, because something about symmetric matrix and all I need to tell. Okay. So just leave it for today. Tomorrow morning class, after that I'll be able to give homework. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
yes, please.
After multiplication of matrices, there is a trace of matrices, sir, in mains material.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That's what.
Yeah, trace can be done. But anyway, tomorrow morning I'll discuss few questions from that odd numbers and you can try even. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
yes, please.
in few mains questions I saw like a power -1. So what should we do with that, sir?
Generally, we don't give them in the beginning. We give them later. That's called inverse.
Okay.
Okay. Are you looking at some other books? Are you talking about that?
Yes, a few mains papers just.
Yeah. See, I'll tell you. We are in the beginning of the chapter. I did not even cover 10% of the maths and determinants chapter. Okay. So our mains material, essential mains material, we took so much time to arrange the questions in order so that it is easy for us to give homework. You don't have to be confused that a particular concept is not taught. Okay. Whereas if you look at any other book, they're all mixed up. After completing the whole maths and determinants chapter only, you will be able to do questions from that book. Otherwise, you will not be able to do it because some concept or other is not covered before that. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anyway, time is up. I'm ending the class now. Tomorrow morning, I'll discuss a little more about transpose and a little bit of symmetric matrix and all. We'll do some questions. Definitely after that, I can give some homework. All right. Thank you.
Sir, these type of questions will